Each column has independent settings available. Click the gear icon next to the column name to access the options. Referring data source indicates that the cells of this column are expected to match values in the first column of the selected data source. Specifying a referring data source allows the app to display a drop-down list of values in a filter screen. Disable filtering prevents the app user from filtering by this column. Is personal data indicates that data captured in this column may contain personal or sensitive data, which in turn can be anonymized when exported from the platform. Is unique validates the headers column data for uniqueness. Uniqueness is required in this column if this data source is updated from a form. Conditional display rules applies conditional display styling based on the value of the column. For example, on a numeric column, you might need a row in a listing screen to turn red if the value exceeds 99. Select a shade of red from the color palette. Then write a formula, this greater than 99.